Hello everyone. Introducing EzzySense for remotely monitoring the hospital OTs from Black Box.
Today we will explain how EzzySense IoT solution from Black Box radically changes the perception around IoT. Today's IoT implementation is more complex than it should be. Introducing future of IoT, wireless micromonitoring system in 15 minutes, EzzySense from Black Box. EzzySense box comes loaded with wireless sensors of your choice, alertware, BBX visible mobile app, optional BBX visible gateway, BBX visible platform. Let me now take you through an experience with EzzySense. Choose a sensor, dependent on what needs to be monitored. Alertware wireless sensors can be fixed anywhere, as it supports micromonitoring. Increased precision measurements, as alertware wireless sensors can be fixed exactly where it is required. Quick and easy QR scan registers the sensor to BBX visible cloud. And finally, just connecting the gateway to BBX visible cloud, completed entire EzzySense setup. Thanks for watching. Please visit www.bbxvisible.com for more information.